everyone, welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. Welcome. In today's video, I'll be unpacking one package that I've received or I've ordered and received from 123stitch.com, and I want to do it together with you, and let's see what I've ordered. So stay tuned. Let's get to it and see what I've ordered. Accessories. These are like these drops with a ring that you can have your floss on it. It's not like bobbins. It's kind of like bobbins, but here it's like, this is what the floss will look like. And it comes with a ring. Then I've ordered these needles. I've never used clover needles before, so I wanted to check them out, try them out. Next, I have this beautiful kit by Dimensions. These are beautiful dolphins. 10 by 14 inches. This looks like 14 count Ada fabric with beautiful colors. Next is a kit by Jen Lynn. This is like a summer sampler. This would be great to cross stitch in the summer. I know that Jen Lynn has more of these samplers, like a winter and spring and autumn, but 123stitch.com didn't have them. They only had this one. So I'm gonna be ordering the other ones, so I have the full collection. This looks also like 14 count fabric, Ada fabric. And then I have two charts. This is by Joan Elliott. I think this is one of her latest designs. Princess of the Snows. And I'm not going to show you the chart, but it's a lot of pages in here. And then I also ordered one more. This is by Joan Elliott as well. Fairy of the Clouds. These are very beautiful. You know, I'm not a big fan of Bella Filipina or Nora Corbett or Mirabilia. That's not for me, but I do love Joan Elliott. I think her designs are so beautiful. I have a lot of her fairies, actually. Well, let me know in the comment section below what do you think about my kits and my charts and my accessories. Did you like, maybe you liked one of them? Let me know in the comment section which one of them do you want me to cross stitch first. I would like to know that. And I'll see you soon, and I'll show you a little bit of the city that I live in, if you're interested, what it looks like. I usually do that in my Russian videos. People like to see where I live, my hometown, so I'll be showing it to you soon. So stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye bye.